In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart or graph in Google Sheets. Whether you need a quick visual for a report or a clear way to spot trends, the process is fast and flexible. Start by selecting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag to highlight a continuous block of cells, and if possible, include a header row and a label column. Those headers become your axis labels and legend, which saves time later and keeps the chart readable. Make sure you're only selecting the relevant numbers and labels. Totals or notes in the same area can confuse the chart. With your data highlighted, go up to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Chart. Google Sheets immediately inserts a default chart on your sheet, and the chart editor opens on the right side. This panel is where you shape your visual. In the Setup tab, choose the chart type that best matches your story. Column and bar charts compare categories. Line charts are great for showing change over time. Pie charts show parts of a whole, and scatter charts reveal relationships. If the first option doesn't look right, simply switch types from the drop-down until the structure matches your data. If your categories and series seem flipped, use the option to switch rows and columns. And if you notice the wrong cells were captured, adjust the data range right in this panel. Once the structure is set, move to the Customize tab for fine-tuning. Update the chart title to something clear and descriptive. Tweak series colors so similar data isn't confusing, and keep the palette consistent with your document or brand. Add or edit axis titles to clarify what each axis represents, and check that number formats and date formats match your source. Increase font sizes if the chart will be presented on a screen, and use data labels when you want exact values visible on bars or slices. You can also refine grid lines and tick marks to make scales easier to read and place the legend where it won't obscure the data. When it looks right, drag the chart to position it and drag the corners to resize for balance with surrounding content. Give it one last scan for clarity, titles readable, labels accurate, and colors distinct. That's it. You've created a chart in Google Sheets, selected the best chart type, and customized colors, axes, and labels for a polished, professional result.